Mastering idioms and phrasal verbs. Unlock the key to English fluency. Hello language enthusiasts! In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of English idiomatic expressions and phrasal verbs. These two aspects are vital for understanding and communicating effectively in English. So sit tight, because we're about to unlock the key to English fluency. Idiomatic expressions are phrases or sayings where the total meaning is different from the individual meaning of each word. For instance, when we say, "It's raining cats and dogs," we're not actually talking about pets falling from the sky. Rather, we're saying that it's raining very heavily. It's important to learn these expressions, as they're a key part of native English speech and can make your language sound more natural and fluent. Let's dive into some commonly used idiomatic expressions. 1. Break a leg. This means to wish someone good luck, especially before a performance. 2. The ball is in your court. It means that it's now someone else's turn to take action or make a decision. 3. Bite the bullet. This means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage. And many more. Remember, context is crucial when using these idioms. Moving on to phrasal verbs. These are verbs combined with prepositions or adverbs, and they often take on entirely different meanings from the original verbs. For instance, give up means to quit or surrender, which is different from the basic verb, give. Like idiomatic expressions, phrasal verbs are widely used in everyday English conversations and can greatly enhance your fluency when mastered. Now, let's explore some common phrasal verbs. 1. Look up. This means to search for information, especially in a book or a list. 2. Run out of. It means to finish or exhaust a supply of something. 3. Catch up. This means to reach someone who is ahead by increasing your speed or effort. Once again, keep in mind that context is important when using phrasal verbs. So there you have it, folks. We've explored idiomatic expressions and phrasal verbs, two elements that can add color and authenticity to your English. Remember, mastering these takes practice, so don't hesitate to use them in your everyday conversations. We hope this video helps you in your journey towards English mastery. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time.